Hi, I'm Alia. So today I want to do a video about the words kje, kam and odkot. Okay? So, kam greš? Where are you going? Kam. Kje si? Where are you? Kje. Odkot si? Odkot. Odkot si? Where are you from? Okay? So, now if let's say I am from Slovenia, and right now I'm in Turkey, so I can say I'm going to Turkey, right? So if someone asks me, kje si? Where are you? I can say, sem u Turčiji. Okay? But when I was still in Slovenia and someone would ask, where are you going? Kam greš? I would say, u Turčijo. So as we said, kje si? U Turčiji. Kam greš? U Turčijo. Odkot si? Where are you from? My friend can say, sem iz Turčije. I am from Turkey. Okay? But the difference is that for some countries, let's say we say u Slovenijo, u Italijo. So I'm going to Slovenia, grem u Italijo, I'm going to Italy, right? But some countries have na before them, yeah? So you would say, grem na Portugalsko. Grem na Portugalsko. I'm going to Portugal. Kje si? Sem na Portugalskem. Odkot si? Sem s Portugalske. It's either S or Z, okay? Not like before, iz Turčije, like IZ, okay? Now it's s Portugalske. I will write all the, let's say, rules somewhere on the screen. So I hope this video helps, and I will make a video about cases, or actually a few of them, soon. So stay tuned, and I will talk to you later. And yeah, enjoy your holidays if you're on holiday, and I'll see you soon. Bye!